are going to love the 2016 Chevy Spark. Chevy Spark. Chevrolet's first mini car offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.